2025 Mercedes GLS Review, ultra-luxury family SUV with V8 power. Meet the all-new 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLS, where full-size SUV power meets ultra-luxury refinement. Whether you're hauling a full family or just flexing on the freeway, this is the premium SUV redefining comfort, technology, and performance. Exterior walkaround. Right off the bat, the 2025 GLS makes a bold statement. The refreshed front grille is larger and more aggressive, flanked by updated multi-beam LED headlights. New 21 to 23-inch alloy wheel designs and subtle tweaks to the rear fascia complete the modern yet commanding look. Interior tour. Step inside and you'll see where the GLS truly shines. It's a first-class lounge on wheels. Luxurious leather everywhere, open-pore wood, and ambient lighting that offers 64 colors. The massive 12.3-inch dual screens are standard, one for the digital cluster and one for the MBUX infotainment system, now faster and more intuitive than ever. Tech and features. This SUV is packed with next-gen tech. White heavy checkmark augmented reality navigation. White heavy checkmark wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. White heavy checkmark voice assistant that learns your habits. White heavy checkmark advanced driver assistance with hands-free highway driving on select roads. Performance. Under the hood, you'll find multiple powertrain options, including a 3.0L turbo inline-6 with EQ boost and a mighty 4.0L bi-turbo V8 in the GLS 580, both paired with Mercedes' smooth 9-speed automatic and 4MATIC AWD system. It's fast, capable, and rides like a dream, thanks to the e-active body control suspension. Practicality and space. With 3 rows of seating, the GLS comfortably fits 6 or 7, depending on your configuration. Cargo space is generous, and power folding seats make it incredibly practical for families on the go. Price and final thoughts. Starting at around $88,000 for the GLS 450 and going well past $130,000 for the AMG models, the 2025 GLS isn't cheap, but when it comes to luxury, space, and presence, it just might be the best full-size SUV money can buy. Would you take the 2025 Mercedes GLS over the competition? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a drop of luxury car content. Thanks for watching.